Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching this video from. This is Learn with Wanja, and today we are talking about Fiverr and how Fiverr works and why you should join Fiverr and how do you get jobs in Fiverr. So Fiverr is a tech account. You don't have to write proposals. And I want us to see how you can join as a seller. So when you look at the account, you can join as a seller or a buyer. A buyer is one who needs the services of a seller, yeah, or a seller to work for them. So the procedure of joining is very easy. And also, how do you join and start earning? So here is how it works. One, you sign up for free, set up your gig, and offer your work to the global audience. Number two, you get notified when you get an order and use the system to discuss details with customers. And number three, you get paid on time every time. Payment is available for withdrawal as soon as it clears. So it is as simple as that. And as I said, you don't have to write proposals. A client is the one who hits on your gig, and then you get a notification, and then you can start working with the client. So let's become sellers. Let's register to become sellers here. When you're choosing a name, make sure it's a name that you would love to use for a very long time, because the procedure of changing a name here is a bit tedious. Yeah. So make sure the name you give here, you intend to use it for a very long time. So you can give an example like writer, Faith Writer. You can do your both names like what we are given there, Jonathan Coleman, depending on your preference. So am I buying or selling services? I want to sell services. If you join as a buyer, you won't be able to sell your gigs. So make sure you are a seller. So is it a side hustle? Are you a solo freelancer, agency employee, or agency owner? What type of freelancer are you? Any can do, depending on who you are. Myself, I'll say solo freelancer. What's your freelancing experience? Are you getting started? Freelancing online, offline, or both online and offline? That also is personal. Choose the one that best matches what you do. So we need to complete our profile, create a gig, and publish and start earning. Those are the 3 steps, and we'll be set to start earning in Fiverr. So we will complete our seller profile first. Okay, so we need to put a profile photo here, and that profile photo should be the real you. Do not put an emoji. Yes, make sure it's you, and a clear photo that represents you. It has the other details. When you scroll down, you will see it's asking you of your description. That is your description as a person or as a seller in Fiverr, languages, the skill set, education, and certifications. So we have to fill that one first. So when you're doing a description, do something that is very, very detailed. Sit down with your pen and paper, jot down your preferences, your skills, what you love doing. Yeah, make sure that it is everything that you want it to be. So take your time. This may take quite a long time, could be even 20 to 30 minutes, but make sure you have done yourself the best profile there. Add your education certifications, and then you update, and we go next. So if you're short of words, I've always said in my previous videos, make use of artificial intelligence tools. You can use ChatGPT or any other artificial intelligence tool. So we need to understand this, then we continue. Yeah, we can learn about this from the video here. A successful profile. We have created a seller profile. We need to finish up. I know it's not 100%. And we are giving tips on what makes a successful Fiverr profile. Can continue. So these are the policies of the workplace platform. Do not provide inaccurate information. Do not open duplicate accounts. You can create many gigs, but don't have many accounts. Yeah, so do not solicit other community members for work on Fiverr. And do not request to take communication or payment outside Fiverr. That will be violating Fiverr policies. See, I have writing and translation and data. You can have up to 5 skills under an occupation, which I've done. Choose an occupation that best matches what you offer. My skills, I had previously put them. They are well updated here. And the levels of expertise. Education, certifications, you can add them. If you have a personal website, add it and then continue. Email is verified, you add phone number and then finish. So the next thing now is creating a gig. Creating a gig. So you need to describe your gig, the category, the search tags that people can find you through. And it has those tabs up there: overview, pricing, description, requirements, gallery, and publish. Yes, so the last step will be publishing. We will do this in our next video in the Fiverr series. For now, we needed to have created a Fiverr profile. Make sure it is 100%. And then the next time we do a gig. So this brings us to the end of the video. I just wanted us to understand how to create a profile on Fiverr and to understand how Fiverr works. We said we are not writing any proposals here. We are just doing very wonderful gigs and waiting for clients to notice us, and we get notifications on invitations from the platform.